Hi guys, Eliza again. I already talked about the Grammy Museum. Now I'm gonna talk about yung experiences ko naman when I went to Chicago. Yung pumunta kami doon, I arrived there on the 29th, which is the actual day wherein nag-pitch, nag-first pitch yung isang member ng SB19 sa Wright Field Stadium. So, kami very excited kasi we just bought the ticket just for them dahil mag-a-appear sila. Hindi pa namin alam kung sino yung magfo-first pitch kasi sabi namin isa lang yung member dun eh. So hindi namin alam kung sino. And then when we went to the actual place, we saw Josh. I was like, oh my God, si Josh yung magfo-first pitch. So we are so excited. Ang maganda pang part nun is that when he entered, yung music na Gento of SB19 was playing in the background. Just imagine in the stadium they were playing the SB19 song, and that one right there is a plus because they were able to hear yung Gento nga. So, yun, na-experience namin yon, napanood namin, and then ang daming 18 actually dun sa pinaka front. Medyo front din kami ng konti, pero malayo kami. Dito, kumbaga dito yung field, nandito kami sa pinaka left side siya. Kita mo pa rin, pero syempre since malayo ang field, so it's okay. Basta nakita namin si Josh. So nag-ano na lang kami dun sa monitor. Very proud kami because sinasabi ko nga this is one of the best na marketing strategy dahil they're also like targeting different markets. So ito naman is for people na interested sa sports, and this is one way for them to introduce yung music na SB19 kasi like I said, when he was entering the field, they were playing the Gento. So, very proud kami kay Josh. He did good sa first pitch. Tapos after nun, umuwi na kami. Pumunta lang kami doon dahil nandun si Josh. And then the second one is yung actual Lollapalooza performance ng SB19. So before that, our group, West Coast 18, were giving away fans. And in that fan, there's an information on the actual stage SB19 is gonna be in, and what time are they gonna perform. And in that fan, there's a QR code wherein when they scan it, it's gonna go through directly to all music platforms, Spotify, you name it, Apple, and then it's gonna go straight to SB19 songs. So for those people that doesn't know SB19, they can have an opportunity to hear SB19 songs. So we were in the entrance and we're distributing it. Mostly dinidistribute namin sa mga puti. Kasi yun sa 18, okay na yun alam na nila but we're distributing it sa mga puti. And then hopefully I think some of them already went to the actual stage. So let's go to yung performance na SB19. So we were there early at napakainit. Sobrang init doon, grabe. Pawis-pawis ang lola mo, my dear. So pawis kami doon, pero tiis dahil sa love namin sa SB19, talaga nag-test kami. Nasa VIP section kami, pero kahit nasa VIP section ka, kailangan maaga ka kasi wala siyang seat na number or nakatayo kami doon. So dapat nandun talaga kami. Diyos ko, ilang oras kami nandoon. Una, konti pa lang kasi nga ilang oras pa lang yon. So, bale, ang Alliance stage, let's say, for example, Alliance stage is right here wherein SB19 is gonna perform. And in front of that is the main stage, which is the T-Mobile stage. Iba naman doon. So, let's say, may artist na nagpa-perform sa T-Mobile, After that, ilang minutes lang, may magpa-perform naman na another band dito sa, sa Alliance Stage. Madami siyang stages at malalayo siya. So there, yun na, malapit na, nagsisigawan na kami. Naku, attract attention. So, 18 really, nag-a-attract kami ng attention, nagsisigaw kami ng SB19, SB19, and then we were hyping. Tapos nung nandun na yung, next to perform is SB19, ako, yun na kami. Tapos, then, nag-appear na nga yung SB19 na, as a Filipino, grabe, hands down, ang galing nila. Nakaka-proud dahil syempre, milestone, isa to sa milestone ng SB19 at hindi lang ng SB19 sa Filipino artists as a whole kasi sobrang galing. Imaginein mo, mga different na lahi, mga puti, itim, basta different lahi, sumisigaw sila, nagsi-cheer sila, talagang nag-drip sila, tsaka nagaganon sila sa dungka. Imagine that. Non-Filipino doing that was able to witness how great SB19 is. Nakakataba ng puso. Tapos yung mascot nga ng Chicago Bull, nandoon, nag-perform siya, nandun siya with the SB19, nagdudungka-dungka siya. So, first time ko dito sa Lollapalooza and hindi ako makakapunta. Actually, hindi. First time ko to, ngayon ko lang to na-experience dahil nga sa SB19. Imagine mo, nakapunta ako sa festival na yon just because of them. And I'm so proud, very proud. Dahil ang ganda ng performance nila. Ang init-init, pero all out sila. Talagang they give all. Talagang grabe. Hands down. Super. Tapos noon, after noon, umalis na kami. Umalis na kami dahil sobrang init doon. Kasi tirik na tirik yung alaw. Ito pa yung isa na very thankful kami is that the weather, nakiayon yung weather kasi it's hot. Even though it's hot, okay lang. Kasi the following day, kasi 4 days yung Lollapalooza, the following day, umulan. Imaginein mo, talagang pinag-adya ng Diyos na maging maganda yung weather nun sa actual performance nila. So, I was able to meet other 18 members. Si Lola na-meet ko rin doon. Hi, Lola. I hope you're gonna be there sa Graton. So, yun yung experience ko. I was just so happy. I was able to bond with the 18 community, yung grupo namin na West Coast. And I was able to meet Lola and then other members there. And then, I'm gonna see Mahalima again in the 18 community sa Graton. I'll be watching there for 2 days. So, I'll be giving you more updates. Thank you very much for watching and following me. Bye!